Hi there, this is Darci Frankel, and I'm coming to you from Hanalei Day Spa today. I'm talking about doing oil cleansing for the face. So I'm suggesting to do some oil cleansing. Make a serum, a real nourishing serum with organic coconut oil and hexane-free castor oil. And what you do is do 50-50 and then a little drop of lavender. And the first thing you want to do is warm your face. So take a warm washcloth, warm to hot, and just make it nice. And you don't have to cleanse first because this is cleansing. And then you rub, get the oil nice and warm. You've made your little concoction in the palm of your hand, like 5 drops of each. Castor oil is really thick, so it'll be nice. And you put it on. And these are the strokes that you do. Upward and out, up and out, here. Little circles around your eyes, little circles. There's all these lymph ducts in the face. And then around the mouth, you want to get a lot of circulation, all these strokes that I'm doing. Here, you could make the face, make the face. And then, this is really important. Look at my hands. I'm going like this, pushing under here. We're pumping the lymph, we're moving the lymph. So you can do that movement, and then you're pulling down. There's all these ducts through here, pulling down. Kind of go systematically, top to bottom, and then down, and then you pump here. And you could do another round of that. You can even take, I take my fingers kind of more firm and press. And you do it again. You can even do a hot washcloth in between this too. I did this while I was watching TV last night. Because I get some of those, I got started getting them last night, like this, just say it's like around my period or something, and it's congestion. So then you remember, you go do this little thing under the, so you're pumping. The lymphatic system is, it's a system, like the whole venous system, but the venous system has a pump, the heart, right? The lymphatic system doesn't have a pump. It moves in 3 ways. Do you know what they are? Mm-hmm. There's no pump that moves the lymph. What moves the lymph is breathing, exercise, and massage. Wow. So it gets stagnant, and we sometimes have to remind it. So you do it a second time, then you take your couple hot washcloths and really just, get it nice and, your face nice and hot, and then you'll take the washcloth gently and pull the oil off, turn the other side of the washcloth and pull the oil off the other one, and it'll be your face will be kind of dewy, and it's nice. Yeah. But what it does is it opens the pores. Okay. And it nourishes and helps to cleanse. So it's a deep, and castor oil is a natural, has natural steroid properties. Oh wow! And what that means, it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Wow. The end.